guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. Before you leave this video, please do not forget to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in, and may God continue to bless you. And also a very big thanks to my new subscriber. I appreciate you all for coming in. May God bless you all. So today is another tutorial, another makeup look. As you can see, as you can see, is two eyeshadow in different eyeshadow in one face. So it's a collaboration with a YouTuber. She contacted me on Instagram, so she want to do collaboration with me. I was so glad to accept. I accepted. I was so glad, to do this collaboration with her. So her name is ItsYaGirl. ItsYaGirl. So if I don't pronounce it well, I will leave the link in I will leave the name in my screen so you can see it where I pronounce it in your own way. So, and I will leave the link in the description box for you to go and watch our video and support her. Support is everything. So it's all about support each other. So support her. We are here to support each other. So this is the collaboration. If you want to see how I achieve this look, how we achieve this look, is we now, not I. How we achieve this look, just stay to the end to the two video and watch to the end. Leave a comment, leave your thoughts. I believe she will do her own more better than I. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. So just stay to the end. See you on my next video. Love you all. Bye. Stay safe. Remain blessed. Love you all. Choosy. Ciao. So as you can see, I'm done with the eyebrow. So I'm just going direct to the eyeshadow. So we are going to be doing, two eyeshadow in one face. I'll be doing this side, by the right side pink and the other side blue. So that is what we are going to be doing today. So I hope I make it more better. Yeah. So I'm using this twilight now. I'll be using this. So I will go for these two color here. These two color. That is what I will use to. Just tap it, So I will use this color here, this red color and this dark. I will use it for the other side. I'm still using the same brush. So just blend it together. It's this different eyeshadow, so you need to choose the color you want to use. I'll be using this brush here. I will take for this dark black color. So I will also take it for the other side. I will take for Revolution palette here. I will use this blue color here just to add it to this dark color. I'll be using Elegant concealer, the one I used before. I will use it to cut the crease. I will do the same thing on the other side. So I'll blend it with the same brush which I used for the beginning. So I'll be using this brush here, this little matte. So I'll be taking for this dark blue. I will mix it with this color, these two colors. Just need to tap it. You don't need to push the eyeshadow, just tap, tap, tap. So I will take for this dark here, this chocolate color. So I'll be using for this color here. I'll be using this color. Shade, this dark shade from Revolution. It's not dark, it's chocolate. Just blend it together, you know, to hide this blue a little bit, you know, just to blend it, hide the little, hide the blue not to show up, you know. And also the same thing, I will take black here, a little bit dark color, to add it to here. First of all, I'll be going for the foundation, primer, and the concealer. Yeah, prep. So I'm still using the smooth face primer. So I just pump 2, no 3. Is it 3? Make it more 4. Whoa. Just tap it round, you know. So I'll be using my brush to blend everything together. So I'll be using my Elegant concealer. I'm still using the same sponge which I used before to blend the concealer. So I will use my sponge, my brush to blend the contour. So I will use the same brush which I used for the foundation to blend everything together. I'll be using my Sasha Buttercup. I'm using this brush here. So I will use the same brush, take for this contour powder. Mary Kay sponge brush with my MAC Studio Finish powder. I will take for this highlighter. if Revolution highlighter. Smart Boss. So I will also use this dark lip liner. I will use my lip gloss. So I'm coming back with the finished look. See you in few minutes. Here is the finished look of these two color eyeshadow in one face, two color eyeshadow. If you love this look, leave a comment and give it a huge thumbs up. See you on my next video. Love you all. Bye. Juicy.